Now we're turning to the news that we have been tracking all day. A 50-year precedent on abortion and women's rights overturned overnight. Roe versus Wade struck down by the Supreme Court of the United States in a 6-3 decision. It will have repercussions across the state and nation over the coming days, weeks, even years to come. But we'll start by focusing here on the local level. Christina Burgess has been following this part of the story all day. She spoke with women on both sides of the debate. Christina, I know people on both sides have very strong feelings.
That's absolutely right, Tatum. I had the chance to speak with Nita Chambers, who is anti-abortion, and Hannah Horwick, who is for abortion rights. Both women shared with me their thoughts on today's Supreme Court decision. For Nita Chambers, she was glad when she heard about the Supreme Court's decision on Roe v. Wade this morning.
I was pleased because, as I said, I don't believe in it.
She also believes this should be left up to the states to decide.
I agree that the state should make these decisions because we, the people, should make these decisions, not the government. With birth control, with all the options to keep you from getting pregnant, even if they don't work, then I suggest carrying it to term so that someone else can enjoy that baby.
But not everyone was happy about this decision.
This is extreme. This is very, very concerning.
For Hannah Horwick, who is the Ector County Democratic Party chair, she is disappointed.
I think really I'm still in a little bit of shock. I wasn't surprised by any stretch. Those of us who've been advocating for choice for a long time knew that this was probable, if not guaranteed, and it was just really a matter of, how far did the decision go?
She says she's always advocated for abortion rights and understands those who aren't in agreement with today's decision.
But this has been a issue of real importance to me for a long time. I grew up in the household with a Planned Parenthood educator. I've always known about this fight in the way that so many of us kind of always know it's there, but it's been a big policy issue for me for a really long time. And there are so many people who believe that there are some elements of privacy and of abortion access that should just be decided by a person and their doctor, and that if you're someone who is concerned about what happened today, that they're not alone.
With more steps ahead, she's still hopeful for the future.
Okay, what's next? Because there are next steps, and it depends on what we're trying to accomplish, what they are, but this doesn't have to be the end.
And yeah, Tatum, both women strongly believe in both sides that they stand on as they still await further decisions to be made.